ano? Lumi?
Lomi.
Kasi mo na. Imo dahil.
And chowpan.
Ha? Imo, pili na.
Ano nga na pansay? Fried chicken. Ako yung fried chicken, mama. Mag-kinain rin ako.
Hindi ko mo magawin sa Jollibee.
One is chicken. Yung drink, ma'am. Upgrade na rin po ice tea, pineapple. Pineapple, lahat. Ano kayo nakit last card, ma'am? Ready na lahat, ma'am. Ano kayo nakit last card, ma'am? Introduce ko lang, baka magustuhan niyo ako. From Jollibee Food Corporation, kasama kami. Introducing Happy Class Card, ma'am. If you are a Happy Class Card holder, ma'am, maka-avail ka ng points every time you purchase cash product sa Jollibee Food Corporation. This 5-star nationwide. So next thing ito, ma'am, bonus card for Villar, 201 points. Sa amin, every 50 pesos, 1 point. So yung points, ma'am, pag dumami, pwede nyo i-purchase ng product for free using the points. Second, ma'am, if you are a Happy Class Card holder, entitled to launching promo ng Happy Class Card, 250 worth of discount sa Jollibee Food Corporation. Magkano yung card? 100 pesos only, ma'am, for the card cost. Validity nito 3 years. So as far as that one, meron kayong lahat ng points na magagather mo, ma'am, will be also your raffle entry sa monthly draw. So as of now, ma'am, 100 lang, ma'am. So next thing, pwede ito ipahirap sa mga